Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tokyo Mobile Master. Today, we're diving deep into the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the latest flagship smartphone from Xiaomi. Packed with cutting-edge technology, an incredible camera system, and a powerhouse chipset, is this the best smartphone of 2025? Let's find out. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra features a premium design with a curved aluminum frame and vegan leather or ceramic back. It comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, making it durable in harsh conditions. Available in black, white, and a special titanium edition, it has a sleek and modern aesthetic. The phone is relatively lightweight despite its flagship features, making it easy to handle. It sports a 6.73-inch WQHD AMOLED display with a 3200x1440 pixel resolution. Featuring LTPO technology, it offers an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth performance and efficient battery use. The display is protected by Xiaomi Shield Glass, an ultra-durable material that enhances scratch resistance. With Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra delivers an incredible visual experience. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the most powerful mobile processor of 2025. The device is equipped with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. Running on Hyper-OS based on Android 14, it provides a smooth, fluid user experience. With VC liquid cooling technology, the phone stays cool even during heavy gaming sessions. The Leica engineered quad camera setup is the biggest highlight. It includes a 50-megapixels main sensor with a 1-inch sensor and variable aperture from f1.63 to f4.0, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide lens with a 122 degrees field of view, a 50MP 3.2x telephoto lens with a 75mm equivalent, and a 50-megapixels periscope lens with 5x optical zoom and 120x digital zoom. The camera supports 8K video recording, Dolby Vision HDR, and 10-bit log video recording, making it a dream for content creators. For selfies, it has a 32-megapixels front camera with AI enhancements and night mode. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, it offers all-day battery life. It supports 90W wired charging, fully charging in under 35 minutes. The 80W wireless charging makes it one of the fastest wirelessly charging phones. With 10W reverse wireless charging, you can power other devices on the go. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra runs on Hyper-OS, Xiaomi's latest software built on Android 14, optimized for better efficiency and customization. AI-powered features like real-time voice translation, AI photo enhancement, and smart battery optimization enhance the user experience. Security is top-notch with an in-display fingerprint sensor and 3D face unlock. The dual stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon provide immersive sound quality. For connectivity, it supports 5G with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. It has dual SIM support with eSIM compatibility and USB Type-C 3.2 for ultra-fast data transfers and OTG support. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is available in multiple variants, 12GB plus 256GB for approximately $999, 16GB plus 512GB for around $1,199, and the 16GB plus 1TB titanium edition priced at approximately $1,399. It is available globally, including in China, Europe, India, and the Middle East. This phone has a lot going for it. Stunning WQHD Plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Leica quad camera system with top-tier photography capabilities, blazing fast 90W wired and 80W wireless charging, and a refined software experience with Hyper-OS. However, it comes with a premium price tag, lacks expandable storage, and has limited color options outside China. So, is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra the ultimate flagship smartphone of 2025? It certainly ticks all the right boxes: a powerful chipset, insane cameras, blazing fast charging, and a gorgeous display. If you're looking for a premium flagship experience, this phone is definitely worth considering. What do you think? Would you buy the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one. I've reformatted the script to flow naturally for a YouTube video, removing headings and making it more conversational. Let me know if you need any further tweaks.